Video number 22 of 100 in the series. I'm going to do another basic thing here on this one, but it's a really important concept and it can really develop your ear on upper levels as well. It's the concept of the fundamental and how to find it. And we don't hear teachers always talking about that. So what is the fundamental? First off, I talked too fast, sorry. It is the tonic note, the name of the scale. So if it's the key of G, I'm not done until I go. G is sometimes in the key of G called the resting tone. It comes to the feeling of it is restful. It's okay, we're done. Let's try that again. Am I done yet? No, it's not till here. So hit the other G. Am I done yet? Nope, not till there. So, learning to feel that fundamental, it's not a mental concept, it's only a feeling. You can tell when it's rested, whether it's down to the bottom, the most basic note. It's the name of the key, the fundamental, the tonic. We'll hear all these terms flipped around and talked in different ways with different people. So, learning to find that fundamental is very important later, if you're an advanced player already, to listening to the bass player. Bass players got to be experts at the fundamental, and basically their job is to nail the fundamental, maybe support it with a couple chord notes that are in the chord, and help you move from there to the next chord. That's their job. I know I'm a bass player too. So, and if you learn to listen to them and learn to feel that fundamental, you can find that fundamental more quickly. With more experience, you can find it faster and go, oh, there's a G. Oh, now it's a C. I got it. It's got a C. C, major or minor? Oh, you can start tweaking your ears so you're faster with this stuff. And that'll be very helpful for jazz. Even if you play a tune you don't know, you can kind of feel your way through the changes and find your way pretty fast. So finding the fundamental, can't talk today, is very important skill to develop, and I just wanted to hip you to its importance.